Hey guys, greetings from Property Unboxing. In case you haven't subscribed to our videos, please do subscribe in. Now in continuation with our Dasnak Jewel of Noida series, we are going to show you 3 BHK 1660 square feet flat today. We had covered details about the society in Dasnak Villa video. If you haven't seen that, then the link is provided in the description box. Bay window in 1660 square feet flat is one thing that I personally like very much. 1660 square feet flat is available in Tower C, E and under construction Tower F of the society. In each floor we have 4 flats, 2 are of size 1525 square feet flats which we have already showed you, and 2 are of size 1660 square feet. In all these towers you get 3 Otis brand lifts. These flats have a living cum dining room, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, kitchen and 3 balconies. You have a shoe rack space just next to the main entrance, and in the entrance door you get a Godrej electronic video key lock. These locks are provided by the builder. As you enter, you have the living room. On the right you have the living room balcony. Just behind the front wall is the master bedroom. On left to it is the common bathroom, then it is the second bedroom, and then we have the kitchen and the third bedroom. The size of the living room is around 20 by 11 feet. This flat is 2-side open, and due to its seamless airflow, lower air temperature and other benefits would occur. This would promote a better living for all its residents. You have an open kitchen just next to the dining area. The kitchen size is around 11 by 8 feet. Separate space is provided for big appliances. It is an imported modular kitchen. Hob and chimney is provided by the builder in each flat. Let's see the living room balcony now. The flat has attached balcony in each room, ensuring natural light in all the rooms. It is a curved balcony and is around 5 feet wide. This balcony is common for the living and the master bedroom. Artificial green cover is created in this balcony of the flat. This balcony is Noida Authority Park facing. Let's see first bedroom. This room is just next to the kitchen. The bedroom size is 10 by 12 feet. Doubly charged vitrified tiles are used in this room. You get space for the almirah and an attached balcony with this room. This balcony is 5 feet wide and is common for this room and the kitchen. This balcony is Dasnak Central Park facing. Here if you notice, the towers are placed with adequate spacing between them, avoiding any 2 towers being joined together with shared common wall as seen in most of the project. Tinted glass ensure privacy. This room has an attached bathroom. American Standard or similar branded bathroom fittings and sanitary ware with foam floor rating according to green building norms is provided by the builder. Moving to the master bedroom of the flat. This room has the bay window. It adds aesthetic value, better view and more sunlight in the room. Provision for fiber to the home technology comes pre-installed in master bedroom. This room size is around 12 by 13 feet. You get wooden flooring with 10-year warranty. A mesh net door is provided in each room. Balcony is one that is common with the living room. This room also has a dressing area and just next to it is the bathroom. The bathroom size is 8 by 6 feet. Let's see the last bedroom of this flat. This one is around 12 by 10 feet. It also has doubly charged vitrified tiles, space for almirah and an attached balcony. This balcony is 4 feet wide and is also Dasnak Park facing. All external doors and windows are made of lead-free, green-rated material with tinted and toughened glass, ensuring minimal passage of UV rays. It also has a common bathroom. The size of the bathroom is around 8 by 6 feet. If you like the video, please do subscribe to our channel. To schedule a visit, please do call us. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.